Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Life is Energy, Eternal, Infinite and Cosmic. Ladies and gentlemen, life is far more than the interplay of biology. It is a profound expression of energy that connects humanity to the eternal cosmos. From the humblest atom to the grandest galaxy, energy flows in an endless cycle, shaping and sustaining all existence. Within this universal dance, life emerges as a unique phenomena, embodying energy in its most extraordinary form. The story of life begins with nature's 5 elemental forces: earth, water, fire, air and ether. Earth provides structure, water enables reactions and sustains life, fire represents energy and transformation, air brings motion, and ether offers the boundless space where these forces interact. Modern science traces the origins of life to these elemental interactions at an atomic level. Over billions of years, these atoms formed molecules which evolved into the intricate systems we now recognize as life. This transformation was driven by energy, its constant flow and exchange underlying the foundation for the living world. Energy is the essence of existence, governed by the first law of thermodynamics, which states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but only transformed. The energy of stars through nuclear fusion births light and elements that travel across the cosmos. On Earth, sunlight drives photosynthesis, forming the basis of all ecosystems. Humans, as nature's most complex creation, transform this cosmic energy into thought, movement, and innovation. The human brain, an unparalleled marvel, operates with remarkable efficiency. With its 86 billion neurons, it consumes just 20 watts of energy, no more than a small light bulb. Yet, this energy fuels imagination, problem solving, and self-awareness. At the cellular level, mitochondria, nature's microscopic powerhouses, transform nutrients into energy, thus sustaining life. This symbiotic relationship, dating back billions of years, exemplifies life's interconnected nature. Yet, humanity's relationship with energy extends beyond physical processes. The human body and mind both receive and contribute energy to the cosmos, creating a continuous two-way exchange. On one hand, the cosmos nourishes life. Sunlight, gravity, and even the Earth's electromagnetic field provide the conditions necessary for survival and growth. On the other hand, human thoughts and actions release energy into the universe. Studies reveal that collective human intent can subtly influence the environment, demonstrating that humanity is both a recipient and a contributor to the universal energy system. This cosmic communication suggests that the universe is inherently designed to support and propel life forward. By intensifying this connection through purposeful acts, positive thoughts, and practices like mindfulness, humans can align their energy with the cosmos, unlocking higher potential. When life's energy is directed towards creativity, harmony, and progress, it achieves its greatest impact. Energy left unused diminishes, and when misdirected, it disrupts. The cosmos offers a clear message. Energy, when purposefully channeled, becomes a force for creation and for transformation. Humanity, as a temporary vessel of this energy, bears the responsibility to make it meaningful, to create, inspire, and uplift. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, life is energy, eternal in essence, infinite in potential, and cosmic in connection. When humanity consciously aligns its energy with the cosmos, it transcends mere existence, becoming a part of the universe's boundless creative force, leaving a mark that echoes across eternity. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.